y'all, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a killer life hack for you guys. It's how I've always revived my older mascaras and kept from having to buy a new one ever since high school. I see this question online everywhere, so I wanted to show you guys my life hack for reviving your dried out mascara. Keep watching to see my technique, how I saved my favorite mascara from being dried out. And be sure to watch to the end so you can see our viewer of the week from last week. Okay, y'all, I have 3 mascaras here, all of differing ages. You can probably tell which one's the oldest by how dirty it is. I'm absolutely obsessed with this mascara. You guys probably saw my first impression of it on my channel. If you haven't, be sure to check that out. We've talked about shelf life on this channel as well, so how long makeup lasts, when you should throw it away. So I'll just go ahead and say you should throw away mascara after 6 months. Depending on how often I'm using a mascara, I can start to see a change in the texture at around 3 months. There's a few reasons for this. One can be just from not having the lid shut all the way, because I know we get a little bit lazy sometimes. Another thing can be from pumping the wand too much. Every time you pump the wand, you're putting air into the tube, and that actually dries out your product. Just naturally, sometimes our tubes start to dry out a little bit prematurely. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between like a brand new tube and one that needs a little TLC. So you can see that this wand goes with my old mascara, my older tube. The dried up one has, first of all, you can tell by the tube because it's really light, but it's a little clumpier on the mascara wand itself, and the full one is very smooth, no clumps on the brush. The product looks darker and wet instead of that kind of cakey look. Now here it is. Here's the moment you've all been waiting for. This is how I revive my kind of dried up mascaras, and I have 2 here I'm gonna show you. So this was my good one. These ones are different levels of dried up. This one's like kind of on its last leg, and this one's like donezo. And I'm gonna show you guys how to revive them. So what you're gonna need, drum roll please, is contact solution. So basically it's saline. You're just gonna put a few drops into your mascara. You're gonna put a few drops into your mascara, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference it makes. Just a few drops goes a really long way. And instead of pumping the wand up and down, you wanna try to stir it. And this is gonna help to get that extra mascara off the edges, and that way you're not pumping extra air into the container. I say that as I'm pumping air into it. Now this isn't magically gonna make there be 4 times the amount of mascara in there, but it does make it last just a little bit longer before you can get your new mascara in your hands, so you're not just totally out. I'm gonna do it to my other one while we're here. This one's a little bit more salvageable. And swirl it. Oh yeah, this one's a better example. Now this works with non-waterproof and waterproof mascara, so if you feel like your mascara is getting a little clumpy and is starting to get dried out, then you need to do this because it's gonna change your life. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever used this technique to revive an old mascara. I'm gonna throw our viewer of the week right here on the screen. Thank you so much for being one of my amazing viewers, and congrats on being the viewer of the week. Leave a comment below for your chance to be the viewer of the week next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and all things beauty. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.